Staying fit and healthy is very important to me. Racing cars is physically demanding, so frequent visits to the gym are essential to keep on top of my performance. I also have to keep healthy so that I attend all my important events. Regular checkups are another must. It's much the same with my cars, and that's why I'm a huge fan of MotorEasy. The free health checks on offer ensure my cars stay in tip-top condition, because problems can be identified long before they become critical, which ultimately saves money. MotorEasy customers get prompted when their car needs an MOT or service, ensuring their cars stay in tip-top condition as well. It could be tempting to skip a service in order to save a few pounds, but this is false economy, because if you service your car in accordance with the manufacturer's guidelines, you're protecting its value and ensuring that it's reliable. MotorEasy offers great prices, free collection and drop-off, and your own personal mechanic to keep you updated along the way.